Ago madowi zana no bevi todo la plano pola va nya YouTube ya valaji nya masinu ko samnala no konye nya afu kojo kala gba pono sosroma miala no kuda ababubu ada onu ma aja agbagba bo ma da agoma la English gbama ba masio masa abagbola watenu asa agoma. So today we are looking at some personified Ewe Proverbs about Camelion. Miapo Abebubuwo okuda agama notin. Eta miagada amakpata madakuku not na subscribe then your YouTube channel.
Ewe TV. Esiekwa, ekwekwa. Mina miado webe.
Not na subscribe then your YouTube channel na like video na make play amagado be miapo no sosra atenu aka amagado share your video le no sosra siauma. Abebubuwo banto sinumiala no kodwa nya agamabe kaba hanyo dododo hanyo agamabe kaba hanyo dododo hanyo no sosron kela Abebubuwo siamo no sosron banto sinumiala no kodwa nya ba jigbode hia ba mi agbo jidile mi akonu wona okatamo ejichichi manyo o ehia ba mi agbo jidi eta mi ala no kuda la English bamu. Says the Camelion, quickness is good as slowness. Quickness is good as slowness. Quickness is good and slowness is also good. And what's the moral of this proverb? The moral of this proverb is patience. It's teaching us to be patient in all our doings. No hurry in life. Abebubuwo evelia sinumiala no kudo nya agamabe ehama mele deka o. Agamabe ehama mele deka o. Nusosron kai miatenu adejeshi le Abebubuwo siama. Nusosron si miadejeshi enyeba totrovana le heham ple amawo pe agbenonome. Totrovana le heham ple amawo pe agbenonome. Eta miala no kudanu le English bama. Says the Camelion, the world or the universe is not isolated. The world is not single. The world is not isolated. And what's the moral of this proverb? This proverb is teaching us that change do happens in life. Change do happen in the life of people, and change do happen in this world. Change do happen in the universe. And the third proverb that we are looking at, Abebubuwo etolia sinomia no kulando sinanya mamle tola gbapwa no sosroma enya agamabe yemabia avo ama adakeu alo agamabe yemabia avo yelo ho afitana o no sosron ke le Abebubuwo siama no sosron sinala Abebubuwo siama enya dokwisi nononyo Ayata miala no kudela la English says the Camelion. I do not ask anyone, or I do not ask my in-law for clothes before I wear. And this is teaching us self-sufficiency, that it is good to be independent. Thank you.